Assalamu alaikum students. In today's video, we will discuss history of classification system. So we will see how classification system developed through different stages in the course of time from the start of this system till now. In the past, first of all, we can trace the work of Aristotle. Aristotle made different groups of organisms which were known at that time. He classified them and he made two groups, or you can say he classified the organisms in two kingdoms, one plenty and second animalia. The second work was later in 700 century, 7th century you can say. That is the work of Abu Usman Umar al-Jahiz. He studied different types of animals and he studied 350 species or types of animals and he made a book. He wrote a book and especially wrote about the life of ants. In 12th century, and more exactly in 1172, Ibn Rushd translated the work of Greek philosopher Aristotle. The book was in the Greek language, De Amina. He translated this book into Arabic language. In the late 15th century or end of 15th century, many biologists started working on classification methods and making groups and started classifying organisms, and the work was being done on a large scale by the end of the 15th century. So we are studying the history from the Greek era, that is before the birth of Christ, that is many centuries before the birth of Christ, till the end of 15th century. And three names are very well known: Aristotle's, Abu Usman Umar al-Jahiz, and third Ibn Rushd. And after that, by the end of the 15th century, many biologists started working on it. Later, Carolus Linnaeus worked further on it and he made three kingdoms which were based on minerals, vegetables, and animals data. And he studied these on the basis of their classes, orders, genus, species, and varieties. And after that, there is a table in your book in which the work of different scientists with their names and work is mentioned with their era, date of birth, and date of deaths, and their work that you will study and learn. Thank you very much.